Hey guys, welcome to my Under Armour affiliate program tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with Under Armour, so let's get started. Alright guys, so as you may know, Under Armour is a fitness and sports brand. They want to affiliate themselves with content creators and websites that are related to sports or fitness. Now the easiest way to do this is to find your own niche. So if you come on here and you look at the products I've got listed on their website, they have things like basketball, football, soccer. So if you're a content creator with an affiliation to any of these sports, you're already off to a good start. So essentially how the affiliate program works is that you're connecting your website to sales related to Under Armour. On these sales, you'll make commission, and that's how you earn money through Under Armour. So let's assume that you've got yourself a website dedicated to fitness. Now let's run through the process of signing up to the affiliate program. The first thing that you see here on the affiliate program landing page is that you earn commission on click-through sales. It's an award-winning affiliate program. They've been doing it for a long time. It tells you here how you'll get paid. Commission fees are paid on a monthly basis. Orders are tracked and credited to your website via cookies or digital markers. So that's how they keep track of how much money you've made. Can I take orders on my site? No, you can't. So you can't do it directly. It's got to come indirectly. They've got online reporting, which is always a useful thing in affiliate marketing. Do I earn commissions on my own purchase? You do, yes. So you could essentially you could start this affiliate program and buy all the products through your own website and you'll still earn commission. Product returns, unfortunately, with this program, if somebody returns a product, you'll lose your commission and debit it from your account. So what you want to do first is essentially go to the online application, which is AWIN based, and I'm going to talk you through that next. Basically, you'll be on the AWIN affiliate network, which is a password-protected affiliate reporting site. You can get your detailed statistics for your site and how much commission that you should be earning will all generate automatically. Why should you do it? It's free. It's a good way to make money. If you're an Under Armour fan, what more could you ask for? All right, let's move on. So if we want to sign up, we want to come up here to the right and sign up with AWIN. Here's a little overview. It just tells you a little information of how much money you'll make. You get 5% commission with a 30-day cookie. Average order size has to be $100. You've got in-app tracking and the ability to earn commission on app sales, which is very useful. You get a comprehensive data feed, which is updated daily. You get banner and text creative, which is great. Cross-device tracking, frequent communications with new products, technologies. They keep you in the loop, essentially. Let's take a look at the program terms. So under PPC, this essentially tells you what you can and can't do, or what you'll get paid for, or what you won't get paid for. Just for an example, do you have a restricted group of publishers who can earn commission on sales generated by brand-related terms? Yes. If publishers display their ads when misspellings of your brand name are entered as search keywords, will they receive full commission? No. So there's all these parameters here that tell you what you can and can't do, or how you're going to get money, or how you're not. It's definitely worth flicking through these before you begin to really understand the concept. Let's move on to transactions. A similar sort of thing here. It'll tell you why your commission is got VAT, if you get commission on delivery charges, if you get credit card fees, what happens if the order is canceled, items returned, the fail a credit check, X, Y, and Z. It gives you everything, that more parameters of where you're at. Let's take a look at branding. Publishers must only use creative and copy assets that are given to them by Under Armour. That's pretty self-explanatory. Notice periods. So if they're going to change any conditions, basically they will let you know within 7 days before they make any changes, which is great. Publishers, this is what type of promotions can work with the affiliate program. We've got things like cashback, community, content, coupon code, that sort of thing all works. And then moving on, we've got the deduplication page, which is just a little bit more information that you should look through before you begin. All right, so we're happy with that. We want to go ahead and hit sign up and join program. You can do this as an Instagram influencer. If you hit sign up here, it'll take you to your Instagram page. It makes things a lot easier if you're a content creator for Instagram. But let's just sign up automatically. Here you're just entering your details, your name, your email address, making passwords. I'll just enter that information quickly. Now the affiliate program is for Under Armour in the United States. You can still go ahead and join the affiliate program if you don't live in the States, but it's better if you do. I'm in the UK, so I'm going to put the UK. And then it'll ask you what kind of promotional type you want to make, what kind of content you're putting out there, so they get a better idea of you or your website and see if it's a right niche for Under Armour. So let's go ahead and tick a couple of these and move on to the next page. So we hit next step. Now, this is a very important bit. They want your promotional space URL, so that could be your Instagram, your Facebook. But to be most effective, you want to be showing a website. Primarily one that is fitness related or has a sport niche. So that could be anything from like lacrosse to wrestling. Then you come down to your description, just give them a little bit more detail about what you do, what your website is, a little bit more about your niche. As much information in here as possible is going to increase your chances to get accepted on the program. Then it'll ask you what sector that you're in. Are you in finance? Are you in retail? X, Y, and Z. Let's move to the next step. And this is just standard information about you and yourself. Zip code, apartment number, and how you're going to verify your details, whether that be online payment or an invitation code. So in short, this is a great program. You should get in there. If you like Under Armour and you're a content creator, you have a website that's fitness related or sports related, it's a great way to make money. Under Armour, a great company to work for. What I say is just go, give it a try, add it to your website, and there's nothing to lose. So thank you guys and have a great day.